Installing the Anaconda distribution on a Windows machine. Installing our software package. If you have successfully downloaded the Anaconda software distribution.exe file, you will be able to search for it using the search bar in a Windows environment. This tutorial will focus on a step-by-step guide on installing the application and setting up the environments. The first task to complete is that of locating the anaconda.exe file that has been downloaded and thereafter opening it. You may follow any approach that is convenient to you. For example, you may simply left-click once on the downloaded file from the Chrome browser, or you may open your File Explorer, navigate to the Downloads folder, locate the Anaconda file and proceed to double-click on it to initiate the opening sequence, or head to the Windows search bar, simply type Anaconda and you will be able to see the anaconda.exe file. Left-click this file. Irrespective of the approach you use to open the anaconda.exe file, you might be presented with the following screen. If provided with the above screen, click Run. This file is safe to open and install on your machine. Now, the primary screen we aim to obtain is as shown below. This is the home screen of the Anaconda Setup Wizard. The wizard is here to assist us in our attempt to make a successful software installation on our machine. Proceed to click Next. You will be presented with the End User License Agreements to the software. Read through the End User License Agreement terms and conditions and click I agree if you would like to proceed further. The next screen will involve you selecting the appropriate installation option, that is, will you be installing the software for all users of a machine or just your particular account? In most situations, the default value is preferred. Click the Next button. On the Choose Install Location screen, it is recommended that you do not change the installation location. Leave the text in the destination folder as is. Click Next. The next screen will present you with advanced installation options. I recommend that you select both of the checkboxes. Check the box which says Add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. Next, click Install.